Hi, I'm Brittany, and I will be presenting today from Newfoundland and Labrador Health Services. My agenda today will cover the following: introduction of our health system, overview of each of the zones within our health system, opportunities we have for internationally educated nurses, compensation if you are awarded a position with us, total rewards, what we have to offer, and how to apply. Newfoundland and Labrador Health Services is Newfoundland and Labrador's integrated and full-service health system. We launched on April 1st, 2023. We serve over 500,000 residents of our province. We combined our 4 former regional health authorities to one system to deliver health services to people across the province of Newfoundland and Labrador. As mentioned in my previous slide, we are divvied up into zones. Lac Grenville is located in green on the map. It covers the province, the section of the province Labrador and the northern peninsula of Newfoundland. Western zone is located in blue on the map, and it covers up to Port Abbas, southeast to Francois, northeast to Bartlett's Harbor, and on the eastern boundary, north to Jackson's Arm. Central zone is located in yellow from Charlottetown in the east, Bogo Island in the north, Harbor Breton in the south, to Beta Verte in the west. Eastern zone is divvied up into two separate zones, pink zone and in the red here. It's the pink is the rural part of the eastern zone, and the red is the urban area of the eastern zone. Although it's the smallest geographic area for our zones, it covers the majority of our population. Currently, Newfoundland and Labrador Health Services are seeking internationally educated nurses to come to work with one of the zones to work as a personal care attendant. Personal care attendants are a valued member of our interprofessional team in long-term care. They are responsible for providing support to residents in all aspects of daily living through companionship, physical, spiritual, and psychosocial care. This includes, but not limited to, performing duties related to all aspects of residents' personal needs, such as nutrition, personal hygiene, and mobility. Assisting with planning and providing various recreational activities, supporting families and residents for end-of-life issues, and escorting residents. Duties are performed under the direction of the registered nurse or licensed practical nurse, in keeping with the philosophy of resident-centered care in our province. The base compensation for a personal care attendant is $22.41 per hour. This would be a unionized position. If you are successful in being awarded a position with us, you would either be placed in the NAPE Hospital Support Collective Agreement or the QP Hospital Support Collective Agreement, depending on the zone you are working. Total rewards. What are the reasons to work within LHS? Career growth and development. For full-time employees, we offer a registered pension plan. We also have other pension plans for part-time employees. We have health and dental benefits, life insurance policy, accidental death insurance, and critical illness, long-term disability. We have different types of paid leave, such as annual leave, sick leave, and family leave in accordance to your collective agreement. We pay overtime, shift, and weekend premiums, again, in accordance to the collective agreement. And we are in the process of building a work environment which includes work-life balance, diversity, collaboration, and respect. So join our team for NLHS. Every day has the potential to be extraordinary in Newfoundland and Labrador. Put your skills to good use in a unique and remarkable part of the world. Whether you are in one of our urban centers, rural towns, coastal and inland communities, or working in a remote location, you can make a difference and grow your career here. Successful candidates join a highly capable province-wide team on the eastern edge of Canada. So as mentioned, we are new to being one health system. Therefore, we've included a link here for each of the zones and their job application boards. So specifically for this opportunity, we've provided next steps in terms of how to apply. So you would need to apply online, and I have included the direct link to apply to our website. So you would have to click on this link. Once you're on the link, you would need to select hospital support under the categories. And under hospital support, you would find a competition for IEN personal care attendant. Once you have successfully applied, you would need to create an account and submit your resume. If you are selected for an interview, we would have to look at your credentials, complete an interview, and check references. If you are successful and we offer you a position, then we would move towards the onboarding stage. So during the onboarding stage, there would be documents to collect, such as criminal record checks. We would ask you to do some e-learning, and we would get some employee health clearance. If you are successful at being selected for a position with us, once the onboarding process would be over and you have everything met in terms of your pre-employment documents, then you would begin your career with us. That's all I have to share today. We've also included the QR code, and if you want to scan the QR code, it links to our NL Health Services website. So thank you all for your time, and I hope you have a great day.